Hi, I'm Deanne, and I'm a manager here at Round Rock Donuts. I started here at Round Rock Donuts in November of 1996. Round Rock Donuts is special because we put a lot of effort and planning and time into quality of our product so that people have an enjoyable experience. The process behind our Round Rock Donuts is really, it's just yeast 101. Starting crew gets here at 1 o'clock in the morning to get everything started and the dough proofing and ready to go for a 4:30 a.m. open. We make sure that the room, the ingredients are the correct temperature, and then after that it's just time. Dough needs time to develop so that it doesn't soak up all the grease. We just happen to have that little extra something in there that makes it the Round Rock Donut. We have the signature Round Rock Donut flavor, and then beyond that, it's different icings. We have the chocolate icing, chocolate sprinkle, strawberry, maple. We have the apple fritter that we take and add cinnamon and apple to the Round Rock Donut dough. All of our filleds start with that same Round Rock Donut dough shell. So the Texas-sized donut is also unique to Round Rock Donuts. The most favorite donuts that people get are definitely the Round Rock glazed. That's what we're known for, and that's what's still most popular. We get customers pretty regular from Finland, Sweden, Japan, Korea, all over. A lot of people lately have been coming from London. They just tell us how great the Round Rock Donut is. The orange color is from a lot of eggs. The Round Rock community has been awesome. They continue to come back day after day, week after week, and have these donuts. We put a lot of care and effort into the total experience. We're human, we don't always get it right, but we try really hard to be efficient, to be fast. There's a lot of thought and planning and effort that goes into just making sure they can come here and have fun and get a great donut in a timely manner.